So like, there are a lot of tutorials on how to draw side view faces, but let's face it, you want to draw the hot guys without them looking like girls. Today, we're gonna learn how to draw hot guys from the side. Okay, so before that though, let's look at the anatomy of a hot and sexy anime guy's side profile. First off, from the side, a hot and sexy anime guy has a very sharp jawline. They also have thick and sassy eyebrows. There's also a little bit of that highlighter right there. And also, like, if you really want to avoid making them look like girls, make sure that your anime guy actually has a chin, okay? It isn't the juicy lips that make them look female. Look at how juicy his lips are and how long his eyelashes are. It's the chin. Make sure that your anime boys have a prominent chin. Okay, so I know that this is mildly disturbing, but I kind of warped his face a bit to make him look more feminine. I mean, don't get me wrong, he's still kind of cute and all, but it's just not it. People are not gonna want to call him daddy. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I drew this. And along the way, I'm also gonna give you some tips on how you can avoid making it look like this. Hello, before we begin, please like my video, thank you. Our very first step is to draw an oval. Just make it a little bit wider, like horizontally, and then draw a line like this. So we're gonna draw a slanted line and connect it to a little over half the circle like so. That's where we'll draw the ears. So this time we're gonna draw the nose. Okay, so this is pretty hard to draw, so we're just gonna use a guideline. Okay, so basically use a straight line like this. So about 1/3 of the remaining is the chin. So yeah, basically make the chin strong. And then we're gonna draw the neck. Just start from here and then make another one on the side of the circle. Now we're gonna draw the eyes. So this is also pretty crucial. If you don't want to make it look girly, it has to be sharp and slanted so it looks hot. Also make sure that the circle of his eye is small. Unlike anime girls, their eyes are small, like vampires. Also, don't forget to add eyelashes behind the nose to give an illusion of another eye. Okay, so at this point, just erase the guidelines. They're useless now. So between those two little bumps right there, draw a line. Okay, so at this point, we're just gonna refine the features. For the eyes, add some extra eyelashes, correct the shape if you have to, and then also add a thick eyelid. See, you have to put a thick eyelid to make him look seductive. So right now, I'm just erasing the lines. So this is actually just my sketch. I was just too lazy to draw the line art, so I'm just improving the lines. Although if you find it too hard, you can just draw the line art. Anyway, it's time to draw the ears. So like, I still find it hard to explain the ears, so I made this to explain it. So step 1, and then do this. See? Simple. Okay, so now time for the hair. I'm going to draw a buzz cut on him just so you could imagine the hairline. So the hairline looks like this without hair, but anyway, we're just gonna draw the hair. Like I always say in my videos, when we're drawing hair, we can start from the very top and then work our way towards the bottom. We do this so that the hair would actually look like it has layers. So the way I draw hair is actually kind of complicated, but you can just group certain areas and simplify. So now let's get to coloring. So just brush the base onto the canvas like that. We're just going to erase the excess later. And then we're gonna airbrush a darker reddish color onto the sides. And also on the eyes, the nose, and the lips. I also picked another reddish color and airbrushed the bottom of the eyes, the nose, and the lips as well. So I just erased the excess and added shadows. And then I added highlights. And then I colored the eyes with a darker color first, and then I started to paint lighter colors. And then I did the hair. After shading the hair, I airbrushed the color of the skin onto the parts of the hair that are near the skin. I just observe it a lot in other people's artworks. Apparently, it makes your colors blend better. So I just added finishing touches and we're done. Alright, so this is the finished product. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found this tutorial helpful, or even if you didn't, please give this video a like. I would appreciate it a lot, and go see my other videos. Thank you, stay cool.